So this is the second official version of the Samsung Galaxy Fold. The South Korean tech giant claims to have fixed the display issues, but just what do we make of it? Let's go hands on. Thanks for watching 9to5 Google on YouTube. Be sure to thumbs up, hit subscribe, and then enable notifications with the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Let's start with the design of the Galaxy Fold, which bar the new T-bar fixes and updated hinge, remains the same as when it was initially launched over 6 months ago. Having never had time with the original device, I must say that while I prefer the Mate X design, this is still an impressive device with a typically stunning display. Of course, Samsung has designed this so that you will see lots of display all the time, as the front-facing porthole display really is pretty terrible, and I still don't understand what Samsung was thinking with that. The front of that smaller display is actually glossy too, so it's actually clear that the main event is inside, almost forcing you to use the full unfolded display at all times, especially in bright lighting. Now of course that is fine, I don't have too much of an issue with it, but the fold display feels thin and it picks up smudges and grime really easily, which explains the demo area white glove cleaning it almost constantly. The plastic display also does feel a little gummy under your finger or thumb. I do still feel that one nick could spell disaster, and the crease is visible but head on you simply won't notice unless you press quite heavily. You will also notice the inner upper right display notch though, which is pretty distracting when used, but of course it's necessary for selfies and video calling. Overall the Fold is actually a lot lighter than I anticipated, and it folds quite nicely and compact, plus the inner fold obviously naturally offers better protection than an outwardly folding display. As for performance, considering the stacked internals of the Snapdragon 855 and 12GB of RAM, the Galaxy Fold should really fly through almost anything you can throw at it, and with over 100 optimised apps, there is plenty of applications to take advantage of that extra screen real estate. When taking photos, you can become the iPad man with such a large unfolded display. I will say that for photo framing this will be pretty awesome, but I can't see myself using it unfolded to take photos. Apps when in full screen give you so much more information and context, which makes for an experience unlike anything you can currently go in store and pick up. Although impressive in practice and arguably being the future of the smartphone space, I must say the Galaxy Fold is most definitely a first generation device that still feels like it needs a little bit of work, and it makes it hard to recommend dropping over $2,000 of your hard-earned cash on it. Then again, I must say it has got me really excited for the next generation and what weird and wonderful folding devices we could see even in 12 months time. Hey, naturally we want to hear what you're thinking. Do you prefer the Fold over the Mate X? Let us know which and why in the comment section below. But until next time, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.